You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
We are pleased to show you the 2019 Audi SQ5. The Audi SQ5 does things you'd never expect from an SUV. This SQ5 has impressive acceleration and comes with a top-notch interior and sporty handling. So this vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: clock, brake assist, tachometer, hill descent control, steering wheel controls. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
There are plenty of reasons the Audi certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts their certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support. Audi certified cars, performance